welcome to Ufundi na Ajira. Bado tuko nyumbani doing the Nyumbani episode. Reason, we are all at home, there's not much we can do, and we are staying safe while at it. Now, thank you for all your reviews concerning how much problems you have been having with the sink. And the fact that now you know spanner number 14, combination, ya kutoa airlock. Now today we are continuing with our Nyumbani series, where we want to talk about other skills that you can impart in anyone, 10 to 18 and above. These are the things they should be doing at home. And stay tuned to the end of this episode to see the basic home toolbox that you can have and the things that you should have inside the toolbox. Welcome and stay tuned and let's learn. So there are different types of bulbs that one needs to learn about. Teach about those zenye ziko na pin type and thread type. Yeah, so there are various type of holders. Those that will have the threaded part and the pin type. And that's how you go identifying how to, which one to replace with which one. Thread, and pin. Yeah, that's working. So we have said there are like the screw on the pin type of bulbs. One should be able to know how to change them, the young ones. Yeah, simply just putting it in. At home, sometimes most of our spaces have got long fluorescent bulbs. Some are 3 feet, 4 feet, or even 5 feet. But even teach them how to replace them. How do you tell that a bulb, that a fluorescent bulb is messed up? 1, it will not go on. 2, it will be flickering and having a problem. So some of the things which you can do easily is to learn how to replace the fluorescent bulb in this way. Another thing that we need to think about is screwing and unscrewing, a very important skill that we need to teach our children. Now, many times you find various fixtures in the house are just falling off. But it will be necessary for one to have to know the various types of fixtures and the screws that hold. So, many times in the home, there will be only maximum 2 types of screws. One will be a star. And you can see, usually, it is cross-like. That's why it's called a star. And that one will be used, is one of the things you need to have. Another type of screw that is very common in all households is a flat screw. Why are we calling it flat? Juu ya hii kichwa, the head is flat. And for that you need a flat screwdriver. You can have a long one, especially if the screw is somewhere inside, and a short one. Most of them, let's say for example here, you just need to press it in, and so these are the home toolbox which you can design out of maybe a container yenye utumii that has a lid, and we have seen various things that you need in your toolbox just for basic troubleshooting. Number one, we have seen you will need screwdrivers. A small one, flat screwdriver, and star head screwdriver. Very important. We saw where to use them. Number three, the sizes of the screwdriver can vary. Kama hii bado these two are flats. But saa zingine kuna very concealed. There are some fasteners that are very concealed. Ziko ndani sana. Hizo ndizo unaweza tafuta mrefu. But a small one is enough for having your young ones be able to sort out a few things for you with a small one. So indeed, screwdrivers, very important. Always a star and a flat. Now our spanners, very important. Airlock. Combination spanner number 14. You can have a big one or a small one. A small one is best because of restricted areas at the pump area. Very important. You will need a string, a rubber band. What is this for? The rubber band is supposed to help you maybe at night when tap imeanza kulikusiku. Have several, a long one, a short one. Always keep a rubber band or several rubber bands for you to tie the sink and the tap, so that at least you can even be able, by morning time, you can be able to call a plumber. These are simplistic things that anyone can be able to do as part of home basic troubleshooting skills for plumbing. A hammer, definitely. You need a hammer. A small hammer. Nyundo tu ndogo. For driving in things back. Yeah, kuna mali penye skuru imekuwa mbaya, you drive it back. When you want to drive in fasteners or a wall hanging, have a hammer. Nyundo yenye kwa both sides. Hii ya kutoa, hii ya kugongelea. Yes, our toolbox is complete. Almost complete, but thread tape. This item is for tying where there are threads. Mahali penye kuna any type of screwing, it's a thread tape. And we saw perhaps in a sink area and other places. Sometimes you find plumbers who come without, and always have it in your toolkit. It can help you to seal off. Yeah, so saa zingine akija kama hana thread tape, akuzo kuna thread tape, you have a thread tape. Inexpensive thread tapes are maximum 50 shillings. And of course you need a torch. Yes, very important. A torch for inspection. And yes, a tape measure. In our next series, in our next episode, we'll talk a little bit about a tape measure. But yeah, have it so that you can be able to measure, you know, what is it, and just keep it in your toolbox. Very well. So just like that, sasa niko na toolbox ka nyumbani. Before I decide that kuna mtu anakuja kunitolea kunifanyia solution yote, have my home toolbox with all the tools inside for basic problem solving. Before I decide, I can just buy the screws. Naweza nunua screw kwa supermarket, nikuje nijifungie, nijitengenezee, nijipigilie misumari, wall hangings na vitu kama hizo. A basic toolbox. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. All these tools are in my description box. You have seen them. Keep teaching your children how to do these things, troubleshoot, make them useful in the home. Thanks for watching.